Hello everyone, today we see the overview of accounting cycle for service giving business. Before study your material, please watch this video up to end and now the steps of accounting cycle for service giving business. Okay, let's start. Accounting cycle is a process that starts when a transaction happens and ends when the books are ready for the next period. Let's go through the 9 steps one by one. Step 1. Analyze business transactions. The first step in the accounting cycle is analyzing business transactions. At this stage, we do not record anything yet. We first understand what happened in the business. We ask which accounts are affected. Are they assets, liabilities, equity, revenue, or expenses? And do they increase or decrease? Accounting always starts with thinking before writing. Step 2. Journalize the transactions. The second step in journalizing the transaction. Here, we record the transaction in the journal using the double entry system. Every transaction must have at least one date and at least one credit. This ensures that total debt always equal total credits. Step 3. Post to ledger accounts. Posting means transferring information from the journal to individual accounts such as cash, service revenue, or expenses. The ledger shows the detailed history and balance of each account. Step 4. Prepare a trial balance. A trial balance is a list of all ledger accounts and their balances at the specific time. Its purpose is to check whether total debits equal total credits. If they balance, we move forward. Step 5. Journalize and post adjusting entries. The fifth step is adjusting entries. Some revenues and expenses are not fully recorded during the period. So, we adjust accounts for items such as accrued expenses, accrued revenues, prepaid expenses, unearned revenues. This step ensures that revenues and expenses are recorded in the correct period. Step 6. Prepare an adjusted trial balance. The sixth step is preparing an adjusted trial balance. This trial balance is prepared after all adjusting entries are posted. It shows the correct and updated balances of all accounts and serves as the main source for financial statements. Step 7. Prepare financial statements. The seventh step is preparing financial statements. From the adjusted trial balance, we prepare the income statement, the statement of financial position, and retained earning statements. These statements show the business performance and financial position. Step 8. Journalize and post closing entries. Here, we close all temporary accounts such as revenues, expenses, dividends, and others. Their balances are transferred to retained earnings preparing accounting for the next accounting periods. Step 9. Prepare a post-closing trial balance. This is the final step, is preparing a post-closing trial balance. This trial balance includes only permanent accounts like assets, liabilities, and equity. It confirms that the accounting records are balanced and ready for the new period. This is all about accounting cycle for service giving businesses.